Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put password on Excel file. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open any document that you want to add a password. So if I open this document, after open the document, just click on file option and then click on info. From here just click on protect workbook, then click on encrypt with password, then type a new password and then click on OK. Then retype your password to confirm it and then click on OK again. Then click on home tab. Now just close the Excel and then click on save. Now open up your Microsoft Excel again. Now if I open the file, and that's it. You can see the file has been protected with password successfully. Now just type your password and then press enter or click OK, and that's it. You can see it's unlocked successfully. And that way you can add any kind of password on any Excel file. And that is how you can protect file on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.